Good morning students. Now I am teaching IIT JEE trigonometry chapter. Okay. So if tan alpha and tan beta are two solutions of equation x square minus 3x plus q is equal to 0. Okay. Cot alpha and cot beta are the two solutions of the equation x square minus alpha x plus gamma x plus s is equal to 0. Then the value of RS. Then the values of RS R into S. Okay, solutions now. Solutions of quadratic equation. What is the general form of solutions of quadratic equation? Solutions are zeros or roots, both are same. Okay, what are the general form? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Alpha into beta is equal to 0. That is the general form of zeros or roots or solutions of quadratic equation. Okay, so they given that here, given that tan alpha and tan beta are solutions of x square minus bx plus q is equal to 0. Okay, so these two are the solutions of x square minus bx plus q is equal to 0. Here the sum of zeros is what? P. Product of zeros is q. Okay, so here that means tan alpha plus tan beta. When a comparison, here these two are the solutions of this equation. So here what is the general form? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. The sum of the zeros is p. Product of zeros is q. Here alpha is nothing but what? Tan alpha. Beta is nothing but what? Tan beta. Tan alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros. Sum of solutions is equal to what? P. Next, product alpha into beta is equal to how much? Q. So here in the place of alpha, what is that? Tan alpha into tan beta is equal to Q. Okay, now understand this? Tan alpha and tan beta are the solutions of x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. This equation in comparison, here x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So the sum of the zeros is p, product of zeros is q. Okay, sum of zeros is what here? Tan alpha plus tan beta. Okay, here zeros is what they given that here? Tan alpha, tan beta. So tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to p. Tan alpha into tan beta is equal to q. Okay, so it is equation 1. Next, given that cot alpha and cot beta are solutions of x square minus rx plus s is equal to 0. Here also same, cot alpha plus cot beta. Cot alpha plus cot beta. Sum of the zeros is equal to what? R. Sum of zeros. This equation you can comparison with x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this is the what? Zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This zeros of the quadratic polynomial you can comparison with x square minus alpha x plus x gamma x plus s is equal to 0. Okay, sum of zeros means what? R. Product of zeros is what? X. S. Okay, sum of zeros. What are the zeros? They given that cot alpha, cot beta. So cot alpha plus cot beta is equal to R. Okay, next cot alpha into cot beta is equal to S. Okay, so here what asking that? Find the value of RS. R into S. What asking that? Find the value of RS. Okay. The value of RS. So RS means R into S. So R is what? Cot alpha plus cot beta into, okay, cot alpha into cot beta. Cot alpha into cot beta. Okay, so cot is reciprocal of tan. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Okay, cot theta into tan theta is how much now? 1. Okay, so here you can write as 1 by tan alpha plus 1 by tan beta into 1 by tan alpha into tan beta. 1 by tan beta. Alpha plus 1 by tan beta. Okay. Two are the functions. We can do that. We can do that. Do that cross multiply. That is tan beta plus tan alpha by tan alpha into tan beta into 1 by tan alpha into tan beta. So here we know that tan alpha plus tan beta is how much more? P. Tan alpha plus tan beta is how much more from equation 1? Its value is P by tan alpha into tan beta Q into 1 by Q. That is equal to P into 1 is P by Q square. So the value of Rs is equal to P by Q square.